This is the Beaded Number Line, best tool ever. We wrote a book on it. It's just so magnificent. Listen, for kindergarten, it's just really about being able to skip counting by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. You're not going to do a lot with the beaded number line in kindergarten, the 100 beaded number line. But in first grade, you do a lot with the beaded number line. So you start looking at the idea of tens and ones. So here, let's say we have 10, and now we have 11. We have 20, now we have 21. 23 is 2 tens and 3 ones, right? So that makes 23, right? We are 7 away from 30. And this becomes really important because in first grade, you start adding 2 digits and a single digit. So you say, we have 28 plus 5. So you want kids to know to bring in that decomposing that they learned in kinder. We have 28 plus 5, 29, 30, 33. So we are going to decompose that 5 and make another 10, and then we have 3. So in first grade, you're doing stuff like that. You're also doing stuff like, oh, we have 30, let's take away 10, and now we have 20. You're taking away multiples of 10 from multiples